This is the review of the D25A Clicky by Eagletac. This is the titanium version. This particular one is the 2014 version with the XML2 U2 LED, 176 LED lumens, 122 out the front lumens. Now where I bought it from, I believe Going Gear, it said it's the 2014 version. So it's the latest one. I bought it about a month ago. I've been using it on a daily basis. It's been working perfectly. Here's the light itself. Let me zoom in. As you can see, nice quality, nice sturdy pocket clip, perfect build, glow in the dark button, tail cap, orange pure reflector, and here's the nice big LED. This takes a AA battery. I have the rechargeable Sanyo and a loop in there. It's a great light. It's titanium, so it scratches up pretty easy. Let me show you some of the scratches I have. Let me see if I can get. Scratches up pretty easy. I mean, I've been using it pretty carefully. I collect flashlights, so I like to keep my flashlights looking new even though I use them. It's hard to tell, but yeah, you can scratch it up pretty easily. Now the functions, it can tilt stand also. Keep forgetting to tell you that. With the head tightened, it's a forward clicky, so there's no momentary. Press it with the head fully tightened. Max output. Tap it. Strobe. Tap it again. Max output. So 2 modes on the head tighten. Loosen it. Here's the low mode. Medium. High. Low again. So if you do that twice, it gets you to strobe and a bunch of others hidden modes like SOS and I believe beacon. Now there is a moonlight mode feature which I like. So if you tighten and loosen the head 3 or 4 times, it's gonna take you to moonlight mode. So I'm not doing it correctly, hold on. There it is. Turn it off and on. Do it 3 times. Here's the moonlight mode. You can look at the LED from here. So overall, after using it for about a month, it's a great light. It's waterproof. I used it in a recent snowstorm. It was pretty good. It's been working perfectly. It's pretty bright on the max output, surprisingly. And one of the reasons I started picking up a lot of AA flashlights is because AA's are pretty easy to replace. Majority of people know it. It's around the house. A lot of people have extra laying around, so that's one of the reasons I bought this. There's also a D25A, actually D25C, which I'll be doing a review on. This is the CR123 version. Much more powerful, but also a great light. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching.